Well, g'day. This is going to be a solid adventure, this. I'm pretty excited about this one. So this is going to be 3 days, 2 nights raft drift. So we've got a drop-off pickup. Look, I'm not doing this one alone. I'm here with John Everett and Shannon Kitchener. John was kind enough to supply me with a raft for this trip. So come over and I'll show you that. So we've got dry bag on the back. That's where all our gear goes. Shannon's all set up. John's ready to rock and roll. Let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Oh, that scared the absolute shit out of me, hey. Hopefully there's not too many like that. Anyway, fun times. So I'm just starting off with a little bunny strip leech fly. Shannon's hooked up. Wow, looks like a good fish too.
Gave me so much curry.
He looked heavy.
Oh, mate, he had some weight to him.
Nice, man.
Beautiful fish, hey?
Yeah, absolutely.
Such a beautiful. Look at the pattern on him. Such a beautiful fish.
go. Woohoo! Yeah! Man, have a look at that. Right, that's my first fish on day 2. Man, I had a shocker yesterday, but makes it all the sweeter. Look at the colours. Beautiful fish. Whoop, yep, got him. And number 2. What a big fish. What'd you say? 50? 55?
48.
48. Nice. Yep. Yep. Right, nice little fish. nice to get a bass, but I'm not complaining about these eastern cod. They're just stunning. Beautiful. I'll get some quick photos and I'll get him back. Right, that's a wrap for day 2. So I didn't get any fish day 1. Look, I'll give you all the excuses. Trying to learn that raft was an absolute mission. I'd imagine some people just get on it and, you know, they're pretty good straight out the gate, but unfortunately that was not me. I managed to raise a few fish later in the afternoon, but we had a pretty chill arvo yesterday and just got up and got into it this morning. Picked one up pretty much straight away, so it was good to break the voodoo curse. Right, so I'm just going to set up camp. We're going to cook a bit of dinner and see you in the morning. Well, good morning. It's a proper early start this morning. So got up at about 4, started packing everything up. Gonna hit the water nice and early. I've only got a half day to get out of here, and start off with some top water and see if we can raise a couple more to wrap the trip up. Yep. Oh, this guy's got me in the current hard. Yeah. Alright, first fish for the morning. I switched over to that leech fly. I wasn't getting much action on the top water. Nice, happy with that. So that's a wrap. What an experience. 3 days on the river, camping out of your pack. Absolutely amazing. A beautiful country through here. Fishing was exceptional. Bit of a shame that we're coming to an end, but look forward to the next one. Big thanks to Johnny Everett for putting this one together. John's also a Murray Cod guide. If that's something that interests any of you guys, go and check him out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.